Let's take a look at a Ferris wheel problem. This question says, suppose you have a Ferris wheel with a diameter of 150 feet. The Ferris wheel rotates in a counterclockwise manner and takes 4 minutes to complete one revolution. What is the period of the Ferris wheel? Remember that period is the interval it takes to complete one full cycle. So according to the question, it takes 4 minutes. Part B is asking us to sketch the path of one revolution of the Ferris wheel using the height versus time graph. So I'm going to label my axes, time and height. And my height is going to be in feet because they gave me the diameter in feet. And my time is going to be in minutes because that's what my period was in. Now, I have a picture of a Ferris wheel here. If you don't have one when you're doing a question like this, just draw a circle so that way you can mark it up a little bit. So let's talk about the period first. It takes 4 minutes to go around in a full cycle. So I'm going to start at the bottom when I get on the Ferris wheel down here, and that's going to be 0 minutes. And I'm going to go in a counterclockwise direction, and it's going to take me 4 minutes to go around the entire ride. So now I just want to break it up. So halfway I'd be at the top in the 12 o'clock position, so that would be 2 minutes. So then halfway between the bottom and that 2-minute mark would be 1 minute in the 3 o'clock position on the right, and then over here would be 3 minutes in the 9 o'clock position on the left. So that's everything in terms of time. So I'm just going to label my axes. And now let's talk about feet. It told me that the diameter, so this part of the Ferris wheel is 150 feet. So obviously at the bottom when I get on the Ferris wheel, it's going to be 0 feet. And at the top, since the diameter is 150, that highest point is 150 feet. So then this middle spot where I'm going to be at 1 minute and at 3 minutes is halfway between. So it's going to be 75 feet. So I'm going to label my axes. And now all I have to do is plot the information that I just marked up on my Ferris wheel. So at 0 minutes, I'm at 0 feet. At 1 minute, I'm at 75 feet. At 2 minutes, I'm at 150 feet. At 3 minutes, I'm at 75 feet. And at 4 minutes, I'm back at 0 feet on the ground. And then you're just going to connect it to form a graph. You're going to connect it with a bit of a curve, no straight lines, and that's how you graph the path of a Ferris wheel.